Blow Up Pit, and I'm here with Charlie, my little lizard. She's a girl. Give me a kiss. That's her. She's a lovely little lizard. Not even 1 year old, are you? Yeah. And then we have Davey boy. Yep, he's a boy. And about the same age still. Birthday's in May. We feed them several different things. Mealworms, locusts, crickets, and waxworms. We get them to eat. I don't know. So just have a challenge. Let's see. Let's get some. Ooh. Charlie, what's this? You want it? Anybody? Nobody? Nothing dead. Anybody want it? Want it? Come on. Eat it, Dave. Come on. Charlie, please. Please get it. Please. Ah, it's wiggling. You want it? Really? None of you? No, you guys suck. Ah, damn it. So yeah, dude, that's pretty much my lizard lifespan of 10 years. They'll be at least in my 20s by the time they go. So dudes, I'll see you guys in the next video.